Hello, hi everyone. I will discuss the continuation of the OTBI reports. Okay. Uh, the another way of doing the OTBI reports will be that mm, the earlier we discussed create as well as analysis. By following this way, also you can able to create the OTBI reports, or else otherwise we can go with the browse catalog. In that browse catalog, from this path, we can able to create the OTBI reports. Create analysis. You can choose the analysis. From this analysis, it will populate the subject area. So from this subject area, we need to select the subject area. So based on that subject area, we can able to create the OTBI reports here. In this invoice, payable transactions, payables invoice transactions real time. So in that, we need to choose the uh, subject area. From the subject area, we need to select the dimensions. So accounting are like that. So in that dimensions, whatever the required elements will be the invoice details. For example, invoice details, general information. So from this, we can able to choose the invoice number, invoice ID. And like that, we can able to choose from it. Invoice number, invoice ID, supplier or party name. Okay, like that. Next will be the invoice amount. In the invoice amounts, you can select the invoice amount as well as these are the columns which we selected. So on this invoice number, you can apply the condition of count edit formula. Before going to that, you can able to save this report. I mean this, save this analysis. Okay. Next, we can able to apply the filters for this. Edit formula, count of these entire invoices. Before going to this part also, just we run the report. So it will use the output. For each invoice separately, for each supplier, I wanted to get the invoices here. So invoice number 1, 2, like that it is getting. So means we can able to get the invoices, number of invoices for each supplier, for each ID, like that. Formula, count of invoices. You can able to see this. Aggregate, count. Okay. Okay. If any changes will be there related to the header, we can able to customize the header name also. Okay, count of invoices it is getting here. Now I am going to replace this will be invoice number. Okay, invoice number. Just I'm applying that. So you can able to save this report analysis. Just you can observe the difference of that. Now invoice number 1. This will be the things supplier or party. So like that way it is getting to you here. Okay. Next will be we can able to add one more column here in this one. Supplier number, we can able to add one more column here. So how we can able to add it? We can go with the suppliers. In that suppliers, attributes or dimensions. In that supplier number, can add this column also. Can move towards the supplier number. Now we can save this. result. You can check the result of it. This will be the supplier number. Okay, like that way it is getting to you. So, or else you can apply the filter condition, column properties. You can go with the column level changes, column properties, inherent interactions, and apply the link or group link for this one. How we are going to group link it? View details, view invoices, link it. The navigation to BA Connect. Hyperlink we are going to generate here. So with the help of that, it is going to be connect with that existing report, and from that supplier information can be identified easily, can be generated here. Okay. Invoice detailed analysis. Okay. Okay. Now you can save this report result. You can see this. It might be having some issue. I think so. Whether it is working, this condition, invoice number, filtering. So you can see this particular output of this view invoice. This hyperlink will be generated here. You can see this invoice related detailed information is going to be generated in this one. Okay. This is about the creating the hyperlink for the given report. Now, next thing is we can able to prepare the graphical representation of the uh, detailed report of this particular one. Just we can cross check once again. Criteria. Now you can add the filters for this also. For this one, party name is the filter for this. Okay, now you can save this one. Next, you can able to add one more filter for this. Sort by ascending order. Yes, now it is working. So count of invoice ID we have taken. It will be having the 5 count of invoice IDs. Akshara supplier, if you click this, it will be showing as a 5 number of invoices. You can see this 1, 2, 5, 6, 10. These are the 5 number of invoices which is created by the particular supplier. Okay, this is about the particular report. Next thing is we have created the prompt also, invoice details also. Next one is we can able to create the bar chart or graphical representation of this particular report. Okay. Now edit, save as, by supplier chart analysis. Okay, just we can verify once. Go to the particular one. Now in the results, I don't want this table, or else cancel. Go to catalog. I'm removing this. I will go with the supplier analysis one. Save as. You can save it. I don't want this graph sheet. I'm going to represent this will be in a graphical representation. Graph bar recommended settings. This will be the supplier number. So for example, if I'm going to take this particular supplier, this will be the particular graph for the particular supplier. Here the parameter will be used as a prompt will be used as a supplier name. Supplier name will be used here as a parameter. Now I'm going to edit it. I'm going to remove the supplier name as a parameter. Invoice amount. I'm excluding this. Supplier number also I'm excluding from this. Okay. Now these supplier are party, which I'm going to move it from this position to okay, like this way it is appearing. Just I'm doing here is I'm going to remove this option also. Graph will be appears. Now supplier or party also we can able to move it from this position to here. It's possible. Just save it. By activating this option, from which subject area this column will be going to generate. The attribute is going to be generated, which appears here. Okay. Now I'm going to enabling this option. Actually, this option can be able to move it from there to here. Yes, from this part. Okay. This is the one option. Now we can able to rotate this, hide, done, as well as save. Now we can able to apply the order number wise. So that is supplier name or supplier or party name. Can able to sort it by ascending order. Invoice number can able to sort it by descending order. Now you can apply the results. So it will be generated like this way. Now the lettering position I want to change it here. Go to edit or else done this option. You will put yes. So you can able to take this will be 700. This will be 500. Font size is going to be increased here. Now I can able to do the style or labels. Axis will be rotated in the 90 degrees. Means a correct format of lettering can be appears to you here. So like this way, it can be readable format. It is appears to you. Next, another option can able to change the background color also. Okay, and also we can able to change the title. Supplier invoice details. You can able to add the logo also. Image also we can able to add it. Add it here. You can able to select the background color also. Okay, so like this way we can able to show this part. I can change the preview of it. Whatever the title I will be added, whatever the star marks will be added here, it will appear here. Next thing is now I'm going to add the filters for this. So in this report result itself, we'll be having the selection steps. Selection steps. Apply condition. If then top 10 based on X. I'm applying this one. Rank will be considered 10 per 10 minimum 10%. Okay, like this I'm applying the condition. Whatever the employees or minimum 10 orders will be there, that only will be appears here. Okay, now next thing is this will be the one way of creating the OTBI report. Okay, so that's it. Next thing is we will go through the preparation of barcode. I mean the same way, if I'm going to click here, we show the report of that particular invoice details is going to be propagate here. So related to that particular supplier, this will be the invoice details, Lee user supplier. Okay, like that. Catalog. Edit. And Dell ANCs. Dell supplier, like that it is. Yes. Okay, that's it about the invoice creation by using the OTBI report and creating the hyperlink and as well as graphical representation of the details. Next will be the another one is creating the deep links as well as dashboards. Okay, I will continue in the next part of the video on that.